Hi, I'm old Sneelock. On behalf of Americans everywhere, I've decided that I'm going to do something unprecedented. Or unprecedented, perhaps. I'm going to throw my hat in the ring. No, I'm not throwing my hat. I don't usually wear one. But I'm going to be announcing my candidacy for president. Yeah, it seems like February 1st, everybody's doing it. So why not me? Yeah, I don't have a whole lot of background in politics, but that's probably a good thing. I don't need an airplane to get back and forth from the White House because I'm going to run the country from down here. It's worked pretty good for the last 40 years anyways. So, if you want to have a new government, one that relies on itself instead of the help of others, and one that is willing to give you an answer, whether you like it or not, vote for me. And if you think about it, you might want to send a couple of bucks because I'm down to coffee money.